Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This week's Did You Know with Stebbington, and we are talking Airtable. A lot of our clients will have multiple tables within one base. For example, they might use the first table as a CRM and then have the second one to manage the project work. So how do we automatically create a record in one table and connect it to the previous one so that no information is lost? Well, keep watching and I'll show you now. So here is our example base. This is our CRM table. Then we have our live projects and our project management. In the CRM is when someone has worked through the pipeline, so they've gone all the way through and to one quote accepted. That's when we want the automation to kick in. First of all, we need to make sure our table is ready. In live projects, we need to make sure that we have a linked record column. So we're going to click here and click Insert Right. We then select Link to another record, CRM, because that is where the record will be, and then click Create Field. Now we need to give it a good name. CRM isn't the one. I would use client name, and then click Save. Okay, so now the automation. So we've clicked on Automations. Then we need to create the automation. So click on the plus, and the trigger will be when a record matches the condition. So select the table, this will be the CRM, and the condition is that when a client status is one or quote accepted, use record, this is the mini mouse. That's the trigger. So then what do we want to happen? We want to create a record. So we click on Add Action, Create Record. Now in the table, we want to do this in the Live Projects table. And then we're going to choose the field that we want to connect it to, which was the client name. Client name. There we go. And we're going to click on that little plus to get the information from the previous record. There it is. Put in the client, turn that on, rename it if we wish, and let's test it out. So we're going to go to the CRM, and here we've got the duck who's just sitting as a new lead. He's going to jump the queue and he's going to go straight to one quote accepted. And if we go for live projects, bang, there is Daffy Duck. And if we click on Daffy Duck on the name there, it will take us straight back to the original record in the CRM table. I hope you found that useful or perhaps even interesting. If you need any help, give us a shout at admin@stebbington.com. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.